Welcome to this tutorial on how to convert Word files to PDF using C#. In this video, we're going to learn how to convert a Word document into a PDF file using C#. So we'll be using IronPDF, a library for generating and manipulating PDF documents to accomplish this task. First, let's start by exporting the Word document as HTML. So to do this, simply open your Word document and go to the File tab and select Save As, and select the location where you want to save and choose Web Page as the file type. And now we have our HTML version of the following Word document. Next, we're going to use Visual Studio to write some code to convert the HTML file into a PDF. So make sure you have the latest version of IronPDF installed through the NuGet Package Manager. And we start by importing the IronPDF library and setting the license key. Then we'll use the Chrome PDF renderer class to render the HTML file as PDF. And we can apply a stamp, in this case an image of the IronPDF logo, to the PDF. And finally, we save the PDF to a file or stream. Keep in mind that the license key in the code will be hidden for security purposes, but you can obtain a 30-day free trial key or purchase a license from the IronPDF website. So once you run the project, the conversion process will begin and you'll have your Word document in PDF format in no time, and that's it. Using IronPDF and C#, we've successfully converted a Word document into a PDF file without the need for Word interop. The output PDF contains all the original formatting and the stamp we added. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you need any further help, our support team is standing by, ready to assist.